Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Garnet Gate. So the first thing we're going to do is sign in on the right hand corner. To sign in to Garnet Gate, all you need to do is type in your USCID, which is the same one that you would use for Wi-Fi, Blackboard, and more. Once you log in, it's going to take you straight to the homepage where you can see upcoming events and your organizations and the latest news on campus. So the first thing we're going to learn how to do is navigate the organizations tab. So click on this menu on the left-hand side and click on organizations. There's two ways to search for organizations. The first way is to select a category. So I'm going to select business. So then all of the organizations in the business category will come up, making it super easy to look through and see which organization is best for us. So if you scroll through, you can see a bunch of different organizations, and we're going to click on Entrepreneurship Club. Here you can join the organization, contact for more information, and also learn more about what the club does and if it would be right for you. They usually have contact information in their description, and if you scroll down, you can see the officers and news. Now let's go back and try and search an organization by name. Don't forget under categories to remove the category so that you can search all organizations and not just business. So I'm going to type in an organization I'm in, and it just pops right up. We can click on it, and I can see my organization and see that I've been a member since 2022 and see the officers and all the same information. Next, we're going to navigate to the Events tab, which is under the same menu we were on before. Events will show you any upcoming event for all organizations. So you can see stuff going on campus that's put on by Gamecock Entertainment, or something like the summer writing group, or an interest meeting for a club that you're looking to join. This is where I found all of my interest meetings for clubs that I wanted to join when I was a freshman, kind of looking what to get involved in, because it gives you all the information you need to check out their interest meeting. So let's click on the Student Organization Fair, which I'm so excited for. It's coming up on August 30th, so make sure you go. We can see what day and time it is, where it's at, and just some more information on what's going on. And down here, my favorite part, you can see the perks. So there's free food and free stuff. So I will be there, and you should go too. The org fair is kind of like Garnet Gate in person, and you can just interact with all the organizations in person and kind of see if you would fit with the organization and get more information. It's a great place to also ask all the questions that you have. The last tab we're going to navigate is Forms. So under Forms, you can see waivers, applications, and other things for organizations. So if you scroll down, you'll see that there's the Freshman Council application, which closes on August 30th. So here you could apply for Freshman Council, and it shows you what organization that's with, student government. So you can see a bunch of different forms on here. And most likely, if you're applying for a position within your organization, it'll be on Garnet Gate Forms. Now, if we go back to the home page, we can see all of our organizations under My Organizations. So it's really important to register with your organization on Garnet Gate so that you can really keep track of your involvement throughout your 4 years of school. Over here, you can see notifications. And then under here, you can see all the events you've gone to, all the organizations you've been in, service hours, things you've submitted, and anything that you've done on Garnet Gate is kept here. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us at the Leadership and Service Center in Russell House. You can email us, call us, or we would love for you to come see us in person, and we can answer any questions that you might have. Thanks.